Mike Boards with the Mike Boards channel. Thank you for watching. Today we're talking plumbing, and in our bathroom, every time you turn the water on and pull up on that diverter knob, all you hear is screaming, squeals, and a whistling sound. We gotta get that fixed. Let's get started. All right, YouTubers, inside the bathroom now, and that is the tub faucet and diverter that is making all that noise. So what we are going to do is remove this. And step number one, very important, make sure your handle is in the full off position. And it's important to know you don't actually have to turn the water off to your entire house because we are just replacing the faucet. However, in the event that you are replacing your stem and internal parts behind your shower wall, that's when you have to turn the main water supply to the house off. However, again, in this video, you do not. Just make sure your handle is in the full off position. From here, we have just this little rubber gasket. You may have caulk that you have to remove. Just carefully pull this rubber gasket off, and this acts as a seal to not allow any water to get in between this gap between the faucet and the shower wall. There it is. Next, go underneath the tub faucet and you should see a gap. And in most cases, you will have a 5/32 hex screw that you need to loosen up. Yours may be a Phillips screw. However, as you can see, we have a hex screw, and here is our 5/32 hex wrench. And we are going to loosen this screw. After loosening the hex screw, I recommend setting the hex wrench outside of the tub and carefully twist your spout 180 degrees. And there's a better view of the screw. This is a Moen brand. This is a press fit spout. And with that said, all we need to do is carefully pull it outward off the copper pipe. In the event that you do not have a press fit, as shown here, you will have thread on your pipe and thread on your internal connection. Carefully twist it to the left until your spout comes off. From here, we will bag this up and take it with us to our local Lowe's or Home Depot and get the exact replacement spout. All right, YouTubers, back from our local Lowe's. The brand new Moen spout was $34.99. Let's go ahead and open it. New spout is out of the box. Check that out. Brand new, really shiny. Comes with some instructions, and as you can see, it has a pictorial image. The main thing that needs to be pointed out, you need at least 3 inches max and a 1.5 inch length minimum of copper pipe coming out of the finished wall of your shower. On the back side, it talks about the 5/32 hex screw as well as the hex wrench. And the instructions state, press and twist the spout onto the lookout upside down. That's important. And then tighten the clamp screw with a 5/32 hex wrench until it just starts to bind. At that point, you will spin it 180 degrees upright into position against the wall and finish tightening the clamp screw by hand. And then it goes on to say, basically, don't use pliers because it's not necessary. However, do not over tighten it. Back to the copper pipe. Again, 1.5 inch minimum, 3 inch maximum. Check the condition of your copper pipe, clean it, and make sure that the face of the pipe itself is not rigid, sharp, or damaged. You want a clean, finished cut as shown here. Now, it does have a little bit of calcium buildup from the years of use, however, that's okay. Grabbing the brand new spout, again, upside down, align it properly, and just carefully insert it on the pipe and push it back into place. Just like that. From here, we'll grab our hex wrench, and again, it states tighten it until it makes its initial bind. And it has made its official bind. From here, carefully twist it 180 degrees into place. As shown here, align the spout properly. Verify it is all the way against the shower wall. Grab your hex wrench, go down below. Making progress. Lower screw is secured. Again, do not over tighten it, and make sure that this spout is as flush with the wall as possible. And in the event that you had caulk that you had to remove, you do have the option of inserting or applying brand new caulk. However, we have this rubber gasket here we will put in place. And I really like this. It's a very clean option. Just carefully shift it all the way back into place against the wall. From here, I'm going to turn on the water. Go up top, grab the shower head, test the diverter. It's a very good time to check for leaks. Any leaks coming from the back side of the spout is no good. You will want to possibly tighten the lower screw just a little bit more. And as you can see or hear, there is no whistling or screaming sounds. I'll go ahead and turn off the water. And I will re-secure the shower head up in its mount there, as shown. And it's also important to know, YouTubers, in the event that you don't really have this option of going out and buying a brand new spout, because you have a spout that is very old and you can't actually buy a replacement, whether it is a specific design or color, we do have a video that we show the step-by-step process on how to clean the internal portion of your old calcified spout to get it back to basically brand new, which would alleviate this diverter making any screaming sound, or in the event that this diverter is very hard to pull up. That video is scrolling above. Definitely check that out. So that's it, YouTubers. Hopefully the video helped. Hey, do us a favor. Below the video, you'll see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely ring your YouTube bell. That would be awesome and very helpful to us. And one last thing, we do have a step-by-step video on how to install that brand new shower head. And that video is scrolling above as well. Definitely check that out. Thanks again for watching.